Welcome to a full body follow along stretching routine for Bodyweight Beast 2.0 Phase 1. Phase 2 and 3 stretching routine videos will be available with purchase of Bodyweight Beast 2.0. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Sit down, breathe, relax. Take your legs out in front of you, open them up in the middle. Then you're going to take one leg. Let's start with the left. We're going to bring it in like this. And then we're going to try to sit up straight. Rotate our pelvis towards this leg, and you can lean into it, feeling the stretch on the outer side of the leg in front. We're going to hold this for 20 seconds. Breathe. All right, switch to the other side. Try to touch your forearms to the ground if you can. Otherwise, you can stay up here. 20 seconds. All right, now what we're gonna do is I want you to spread your legs like this. Try to open up these adductor muscles right here. We're gonna feel the stretch right in these adductors as well as a little bit of the hamstrings. What I want you to do is try to reach, touch your foot with one hand. If you can't, just go on the leg right here. If you can't go this wide, don't worry about it. And then I want you to take the other arm and reach over. So you're gonna be hitting a little bit of your core here too. It's all right, it's perfect. Hold this, feel the stretch in the core on the outside. Feel the stretch a little bit in the leg and the adductors, these inside leg muscles. 20 seconds. Other side. Down the middle. Try to rest your forearms on the ground. If you can't, just put your hands. All right, one more while we're down here. Bring the feet in. Feeling good. Remember, breathe, guys. All right, come out slow, come out slow. I want you to get into a deep squat position like this. Just try to sit right in the middle, sit low. You can use your hands if you need to. 20 seconds. Breathe. All right, from here, we're gonna come out slow. What I want you to do is one leg in the back straight, other leg over, keep that leg straight, go up until you feel that stretch. Right in the back here, right in the calf, a little bit in the hamstring. Try to straighten your back too, like a downward dog. Hold that for 10 seconds, and then we're gonna bend the knee and hold it for another 10 seconds. Ready? Go. Now bend the knee. And now you're stretching the soleus more. Before you're stretching more the gastrocnemius. All right, switch legs, straight. Breathe, bend the knee. Try to keep that heel flat on the ground. All right, now I want you to step out, roll up slow so you don't, get dizzy or anything. Roll up slow. Very important hamstring stretch I want you to do. This really hits the hamstrings. I want you to point the foot out, the one that we're gonna stretch, right? I want you to face towards it, slightly turn your hips towards it. Now you don't wanna bend at your back, really. You wanna bend your pelvis and you should feel your hamstring tightening up and stretching. So bend that pelvis. Ooh, you can feel it if you do it right, okay? Don't bend the back, bend the pelvis. 20 seconds like this, okay? Go. You can really feel it right here, tightening up. It's a very good stretch. Other side. Go. Stretch out the glutes a little bit more, the abductors. Okay, so hold the wall, or you can sit down and do this too, but since we're already standing, we're gonna pull this knee in, cross this leg over, pull this knee in, feel the stretch on the outside. We're just gonna do 10 seconds here. Okay, just a final little lower body stretch, feeling it here. Other side. Alright, final lower body stretch right here. Once you get down, put the tops of your feet on the ground like this, stretching out the shins, then lean back, and you're also going to stretch out the quads. Put your hands back on the ground like this, feel the stretch in the quads, push your pelvis up, really feel that stretch in the quads. Alright, come on, slow, walk up, walk up, walk up. We're going to start stretching the upper body, okay? This is a good one I like to do. We're going to work on the posterior side of the arm. We're also going to hit a little bit of the shoulder, back, all around good stretch here. On your knees, take your right arm first. Gonna put it out, cross it down to the ground. You can touch that forearm to the ground. Take your other arm out in front and creep the arm underneath out, so the right arm, and push down like this. Start to feel that stretch in the shoulder. Post delt. Feels good, and breathe. Come out slow. Other arm underneath, over, breathe. Come out slow, on all fours like this. Turn your wrists upside down. You can start up standing over them more like this. Hands upside down, fingers spread, lean back. Try not to let your fingers curl up. Stretching out the wrists, the hands. Remember, stretch only to mild discomfort, not to any sharp pains. Turn the wrists out, come on up. We're gonna do 10 reps of this one, okay? Now, you might wanna do the tops of the wrists like this. Some people like to do that. You can feel free to hold that throughout this little segment here. What I like to do is I put my hand out in front of me like this, wrap around it with the other hand, grab the thumb, just like this. I like to pull down easy, okay? Easy, don't jerk it around, just nice and easy. And do 10 reps of these, 10, 8, 7, 6, do it with me, 5, nice and easy. And 1, feel that stretch in the rear, feels good. Other hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done, okay? Shake your hands off a little bit. Let's curl them up like this. Let's do wrist circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna move on. We're gonna open the chest up. We're gonna stretch out the biceps, the front delts, all with this one great stretch right here. On your knees, supinate your wrists like this. So that means turn your palms up towards the sky. Bring your hands back until you feel it in your chest, your biceps. Try to pull back and breathe here. We're gonna hold this for 20 seconds, okay? Come on slow, come on slow, come on slow. Now we're gonna stretch out more of the shoulder, a little bit more of the lats. Arm up, we're just gonna do this for 10 seconds. Grab the arm that you're gonna be stretching, you're gonna lean to the side, pull. Feel the stretch all down that side of the arm. Breathe. Up, switch, other side. Come on, slow, shake it off. Oh, feeling good. We're gonna do now is we're gonna stretch out the neck region, traps, neck. Grab the side like this. Pull it to this side, easy though, just easy. Feel this stretch, feel good. 10 seconds. Other side. Easy. Down. Look up. Just the front of the neck here. Don't kink anything, just look up. Breathe. All right, awesome. Now we're gonna move on to stretching our core. Get down on your stomach like this. What I want you to do is push up to your elbows, arch your back, look up. If you can go up to your hands like this. Feeling the stretch in the abs and the core. If not, just stay on your elbows. We're gonna hold this for 20 seconds. Don't kink your back, stretch your core. All right, from here, I want you to come out slow like this and into a child's pose. Come out and you can do some of these cat dogs, these awkward ones, you know, where you arch the back and then curl it up, just to loosen up. All right, that's good. Throwing in a bonus stretch here at the end of this video. I always love this one as a good finisher because usually even at the end of a stretching routine you might feel some tightness in your upper shoulders, especially after a Bodyweight Beast workout day. So this is my finisher that I like to do. This mimics one of those machines in the gym that you sit down and you pull like this. Stand up, cross your leg over, grab your knee, and pull your knee down easy as you pull back. Feel the stretch in the upper back. Feels super good. Oh. All right, guys, now that you're done, I want you to shake it off, okay? So just shake it off with me. And you're done. Remember to breathe deep, relax, proper nutrition, eat right, rest, recover, get good sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that day of Bodyweight Beast, whichever day you are on in phase 1. If you're interested in Bodyweight Beast 2.0, new and improved, onlykindsfitness.com. Thank you all so much for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe to Only Kinds Fitness. We have more workout videos coming. Peace. You all have a good one. I'll see you all in the next video.